glad to see you back. I can't believe you came back. Yes. So today I am going to teach you my favorite flower in the whole world. Can you guess what that is? It starts with S. Sunflower. It's my favorite flower. We're doing that together today. Can I call Brush Brush? Come on, Brush Brush, come here. Can you say hi to him?
Hello.
Yes? Isn't that so cute? Okay, so we are painting the sunflower. Are you ready to paint? Okay, let's go. Are you ready? Let's go. Let's go. Let's paint. Done. Let me see. Let me see your painting. Wow, little artist. That is beautiful. I love what you did. Did you see how simple that is? You just brush, 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 and it is done. Art is that simple. You just have to be creative. I hope you're having a great day, and I'll see you soon. Until next time, hearts, 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 hearts. Bye now.